Hello, I am Toshio Iwata, director of digitalfilter.com. Today, I will talk to you about 9-axis sensor fusion. It's better than 6-axis in terms of the accuracy of the angle because it has magnetic sensors 3 axes. And I will use MotionFX library provided by STMicroelectronics. It can be used for 9-axis as well as 6-axis. The gyroscope gives us angular velocity. We integrate it, then we get the angle. But normal gyroscope has some error. So if we integrate it, the error becomes bigger according to the time elapsed. So this is the weak point of the 6-axis sensor fusion. The left is real movie and the right is estimated one by 6-axis sensor fusion. I rotate with the board, lifting up and down. And see the difference between real one and estimated one. You may see the direction is different between these two. The rotation of estimated one is less than real one. So the error of the angle becomes bigger and bigger because it's accumulating. I have rotated twice and facing north, but the estimated one facing different way. So the weak point of 6-axis is the error of angle is getting bigger and bigger. However, the 9-axis has another way to calculate the angle. By the magnetometer, it may be possible to cancel the error. This is 9-axis sensor fusion. Since the error of the direction is cancelled by the magnet sensor, the estimated one faces correct direction. It's still working fine after I rotated it twice. The 9-axis sensor fusion cancels the drift of the angle, therefore, it shows you fine estimation. We use this tool to program 9-axis sensor fusion to a microprocessor. And this is the datasheet of the magnetometer. So let's search for the range. The dynamic range is plus minus 50 Gauss. The format is 16 bits to the complement, and we want milli Gauss. So calculation is like this. Then we change it from milligauss to microtesla. We do like this. And let's see another document. This is getting started with MotionFX. And these are the functions of MotionFX. And this is the structure of the input. And this says how to input data of accelerometer and gyroscope and magnetometer. About magnetometer, the unit is microtesla per 50. That's why I have made it like this. Now we can input the data to the function. And there is one thing to keep in mind. This is the datasheet of accelerometer. The axes are like this. And this is magnetometer. The axes are like this. They are a bit different. You may find the accelerometer is right-handed system and magnetometer is left-handed. And this is a picture of the sensor board. And this is the accelerometer. And this is the first pin. And X and Y axis. And this is a magnetometer. And this is the first pin. And this is X and this is Y axis. And G axis are facing this way. So X and Y should be replaced to make it the same. Therefore, in this program, I have switched X and Y of magnetometer. Please be careful of these points to have it working fine.